How to fix Windows Update error code 0x80073BC3 in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. Here under system settings, go to troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and here run the Windows Update troubleshooter. And let the window complete the issue process. It will not only detect issue, it will also resolve if any Windows Update error troubleshoot found in your system. The second workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute dism tool one by one, execute all these commands: scan health, check health, and restore health. All these commands will apply one by one, followed by enter key on each times. Thereafter run sfc scan now command, and it will scan your system for any corrupted file system and repair them accordingly. Once sfc scan now completed, thereafter run Windows Update components. Execute these commands one by one, followed by enter key on each times. Thereafter execute these two commands. All these command path will also available in my videos description. You may copy from my videos description. Thereafter execute these four commands once again. And after execution of this command, don't forget to restart your system and check your Windows Update error code will be definitely resolved. That's all.